You know that moment when you're juggling dinner for the family, trying to bake a pizza, roast some veggies, and maybe fry something crispy without turning your kitchen into a smokehouse? Yeah, it's chaotic. That's exactly why the Gourmia French door air fryer oven caught my eye. It promises to handle all of that in one countertop appliance without forcing you to trade space or patience. At first glance, the Gourmia French door air fryer oven feels like it belongs in a professional kitchen. It's big, a 37-quart XL capacity that actually fits a full sheet pan or even a 13-inch pizza. But it doesn't feel like a clunky monstrosity on your counter. The stainless steel finish has that modern, sleek vibe, and the French doors give it a more upscale look than your typical pull-down air fryer. It's the kind of appliance that makes you want to leave it out instead of shoving it in a cabinet. Opening the doors, you immediately notice the thoughtful interior design. The air fryer basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray all slide in and out smoothly, and yes, they're dishwasher safe. That might not sound exciting, but trust me, when you're cooking multiple dishes during the week, not having to scrub greasy racks is a huge stress relief. The digital display is bright and easy to navigate, and the preset functions, 12 in total, cover everything from air frying and roasting to dehydrating and slow cooking. Even if you've never used a multi-function countertop oven before, the learning curve is minimal. Performance is where this oven really earns its keep. The FryForce 360 degrees technology isn't just marketing fluff. Hot air circulates efficiently so that chicken wings get that golden, crunchy exterior without drowning in oil, and veggies come out roasted evenly, not half-burned or soggy. Preheating is surprisingly quick, and the 1,700-watt power ensures consistent results across different cooking modes. For families, this means you can make a full meal, pizza, fries, and roasted vegetables, almost simultaneously. Noise-wise, it's noticeable but not disruptive, kind of like a gentle hum rather than a jet engine. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to the removable trays and smooth interior surfaces. Of course, no product is perfect. The oven's footprint is large, so if you have a small kitchen counter, it might feel cramped. The French doors are stylish, but require a little extra clearance to open fully. And while the presets are handy, experimenting with custom temperatures and times may take a few tries before you hit your sweet spot. That said, for anyone feeding a family or hosting friends regularly, the benefits far outweigh these minor inconveniences. Comparing it to other large-capacity air fryers or toaster ovens in the $250 to $300 range, the Gourmia stands out. Many competitors either compromise on size, speed, or versatility. Some air fryers that could do a sheet pan at once often lack features like dehydrating or slow cooking. Here, you're getting a genuine multi-purpose kitchen workhorse. The combination of capacity, versatility, and user-friendly design makes it an attractive option for anyone tired of juggling multiple appliances. In short, the Gourmia French door air fryer oven is perfect for families, meal preppers, and anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of dishes without fuss. It's not ideal if you live alone and have very limited counter space. But for most households, it simplifies weeknight cooking and gives you the flexibility to experiment with recipes you might have avoided before. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your kitchen setup, this oven is worth a look. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check current pricing and deals. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical, honest kitchen gear reviews. Your future self, standing in a smoke-free kitchen with perfectly cooked meals, will thank you.